October 16th, micro Dow Futures, 1 minute chart. I'll cover just quickly the waves and my trade. At first, the one thing you're going to want to look at is the overnight session. So here you can see that the Dow Futures pretty much trading in consolidation, dipped down, hit this S1, this green dashed line, bounced. And then this morning when the market opened up, you can see price comes down, dips down right into this lower portion of this consolidation, and then starts to come up. So let's zoom in on that and I'll show you what I did. So here's the first 1 minute candle. Price is now going up. So it touches this green line once again, gets bought back up, closes above VWAP. This is this purple line. I don't really trade VWAP. I just have it on my charts. It's a point of interest for me because I know a lot of other people use this, and potentially the algorithms are programmed around it to make decisions as well. Yeah, price then kind of goes sideways, but it's essentially kind of more or less consolidating above this 1 minute candle in this section right here. And when I looked at this, I actually thought that we had a candle body under candle body here, but all of these candles here, 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 and here, these three smaller body candles, they all intersect by 1 point with this particular candle right here, which opened at 428. So all these other ones are at 429, 429, the upper portion of the body, not the wicks. They're all at 429. So I thought this was a wave one down pullback. As soon as price started going up and looked like it was going to break this wave high, which I thought was the wave high at that moment in time, I got long. The other thing that also happened on this 1 minute candle, which is also bullish, is you see this blue or cyan arrow right here, wedge. That's a custom script that I wrote, and it's indicating that there's from the open and close of this candle, whichever is lower, it's gapping above the open or close, whichever is higher on the previous candle. So you can see that this candle right here, it closed green at, let me see, 429, and this one opened at 430. So there's a 1 point gap between this candle and this candle, and my script picks that up and plots it right here. So this should be a gap and go. Yeah, so I got in as price was moving up. I got in at 57. So 57 is up here at the upper end of this candle. And first target would be this red line. And so you can see price kept going up, and I sold, I think, right at the red line. It was just a limit order out. This is a tiny trade. It's like a 31 point trade. You can see from 57 to 88. In retrospect, I should have held up until at least this second or third Camarilla pivot point right here. The reason being is because the Dow's a $43,000 index, and because these Camarilla pivot points are stacked so close today, I should have expected the Dow to move another, about another 40, 45 points up to the next one. I should have sold there. Anyway, I only have one contract, so I took my profit at the first Camarilla pivot. And that's one of the things I've talked about in my previous videos. Had I had two contracts, well, then the next one would have been sold there. Now, where would the stop be? Well, I probably would have had my stop right down in here, because I thought that this was the wave up and the pullback candle body under candle body, and it's not. So the technical stop would have been on the break of this body right here, and most definitely last resort stop would be a break below this tail right here. So this is actually still making just this, in this particular process from here to here, this is actually just the wave one up. You finally get candle body here under candle body, so that terminates wave one. Price goes sideways, starts breaking above wave one here, makes a wave two, and makes a wave 3. I can't tell you that price is going to make 5 waves higher today, but what I can say, if you're following my 5-wave trading method, is that there should be 5 waves today. So maybe it's a 5-wave down move all the way down into filling this, or it goes lower, or it breaks out above this later on today and goes higher. I can't tell you. Just only trade things with a 5-wave move. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.